Because question we have done already in formulation of LPP. Ravi, you answer me. Normal thing. You couldn't find what is the common reason. I really wonder how can't you see that? What is the common reason? You only shaded and you couldn't find what is the common reason.
Found it, ma'am.
I, Ravi, you really found?
Seeing, ma'am.
Seeing means what do you see? Okay, tell me one thing, very simple thing I'm asking. There are three types of fruits.
Okay.
Three types of fruits. Okay. Watermelon, pineapple, banana. Watermelon, you are eating. Banana, Nirmal is eating. Pineapple, both of you are eating. What is the common fruit?
Pineapple.
How you found? Which is shared by both.
Yes, ma'am.
That is called common thing.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
same in graph. Why you people are confused? Area which is shared by both will be called as common. Like roughly I draw. Right now what you have done, I show you here now. You were confused to find what is the common area. My screen is visible?
No, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
No?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ravi, can you see now?
Ma'am?
Can you see my screen?
1 minute, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
You had some this kind of line, right? You did this outside because that was greater than. Same with the second line. Did? Am I wrong or the same? Like this you have done, isn't it? Ravi, unmute and tell me. Wasn't it same?
Ma'am, I'm not seeing, ma'am.
Why can't you see?
Yes, ma'am.
Come in participant name. There you can see my name 2 times. Shamajan, Shamajan. One is having presentation. Pin that. Our lecture is wasted in these things. Can you see now? Go. What was the name? Ravi. In participant, my name is there. Presentation, pin that on your screen. Then you will see my screen. What can I do? Team leads, please. Roma, Shiva, tell me what should I do now? You only give me a solution. I will do that. Follow. I will follow you. Tell me. These people will not speak. At least you do. Who else is the team lead? Who else is? I think Ashwara is also, right?
No, ma'am.
You are not. Then who is team lead? Rishi Raj is team lead, right, Rishi?
No, ma'am. My team leader is Shiva Prasad.
Okay. So whole class is having two. Yeah, Shiva and Roma, I know. Who is the third one?
Ma'am, Shruti,
Ma'am,
Shweta,
Shweta.
Sahana.
Okay. This Shruti, Sahana. Tell me, what should I do now? What do you expect from me? What your team expect from me now?
Ma'am, you solve one problem, ma'am. Based on that, you give one problem and ask randomly to show the solution.
When they will start leaving the meeting, that we have done. What do you think? This
You
is the first.
don't give the attendance, ma'am.
Then there are some genuine cases also. How can I do that? They will start leaving meeting, but there are actually some genuine cases.
Ma'am,
Generally,
you ask them
I
to
have seen
present
with
on
Rishi
the
it
WhatsApp.
happens. With Rishi, it happens genuinely. I have seen many times he get disconnected, then he comes back again. Even
Ma'am,
with
you ask them to present through WhatsApp, ma'am.
they want to, dear. You don't know. They start leaving the classes. One question I had given for homework. And it's not about they should present their screen. It's about why they are not understanding. I'm asking this. Why they are not understanding? You to convey me this thing. They are not able to understand what is the common reason. When I am showing, he's saying he can't see my screen. Now should I waste my 15 minutes on that? How you can see my screen? Without practice, you people can't understand maths. First thing. If you think, okay, ma'am will be doing and we will be just watching a show and we will entertain the show, that is not going to work. If I have given a homework, you should complete it. One voice saying he has done, but that is also half shaded. I don't know. Why don't you know shade? This question I don't expect now. You don't know how to shade it. What is written here clearly in clear words? Everything I keep on writing. Where is that? Here. Wow, what is the confusion in that? Towards origin, left side, if less than, greater than, far from the origin. You don't know what is origin. Origin is this point. Towards means this, near to origin. If we are saying far from, that means going outside. You don't know what is the common portion. Here easily it is seen, single type of line. This is not a common portion. Common portion means where all the lines are falling in this category. I really don't understand now. What can I do? Like kindergarten, I taught you that day on Friday. Actually, like a kindergarten, this thing, these things, how to solve them. And after that, you say, ki, ma'am, we don't know how to shade the region. That is really unexpected. See, I have given from my side my 100%. Now it's up to you people. You actually want to give 100% or you just want to be like that only. But I won't give any extra class now, that I have decided, because by seeing your performance, if I could see, yeah, you are trying, but there is still a need, then I could give extra class. But just randomly you stand up and say, ma'am, we need extra class, I can't give. Means directly you are asking to eliminate those 15 people from your class. So that thing we are not going to do. Extra class means I need your effort. Okay, that day, students, coming forward, we have wasted a lot of times. Here we were doing third and fourth question. You people were asking me that day, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Third is
Just
solved.
third is solved,
Ma'am,
but
third one we solved, ma'am. Fourth one we tried, ma'am. But
third
we are
You
one,
tried
getting
one
to.
girl
negative
was
value.
asking that day. One girl was asking, I think that day. I told her later I will do.
Ma'am, third question
I
I
think
have not
Roma
done.
has.
Roma, na? Okay, we'll do. Third
Yes.
problem will do. Tell me this question, okay? I am coming on another screen. Tell me, minimize or maximize?
Minimize and maximize z is equals to 3x plus 9y
Hmm.
subjected to x plus 3y lesser than or equal to 60, x
60.
plus y greater than or equal to 10,
Hmm.
x plus y lesser than or equal to 0.
X plus Y or X minus Y?
No,
Ma'am,
no.
That is x less than or equal to y, ma'am.
Ah,
less than, yes, ma'am. And x greater than or equal to 0, y greater than or equal to.
this only, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm. Let's start. This is our first equation. This is our second equation. This is our third equation. This is x-axis. This is y-axis. Let's start first. What I need 60. So I will give 10, 20. Everybody with your scale, start taking first with all each 2 centimeter. Start drawing these dots. Everybody, all full class, with your scale at each 2 centimeter, make these dots. And on these dots, write 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Why I am asking 2 centimeter? To make it more clear. Same thing you do on y-axis also. Start drawing. And now try to understand what I'm saying, how to shade. First line. First put y equal to 0. So that time x is 60. If I put y equal to 0, x is 60. So here is when y is 0, x is 60. I will cross this. This is my 60 comma 0. When I put x equal to 0, y is 20. So here, let's join the line. Second equation. When x is 0, y is 10. When y is 0, x is 10. So means on both axes, I need to do 10, 10. Here and here. So C 0, 10 and D 10, 0. Now next line. See, this is might be little confusing. Actually, how we are solving less than equal to sign we'll see later, but actually this is like a x equal to y. So when you put x equals to 0, y is 0. Actually this line is a straight line passing through the origin making 45-degree angle. So x equal to y is always a line like this. So what it is representing actually, if you see, when x was 1, y was 1. When x was 2, y was 2, like this. So x was 10, y is 10. If like this, if you draw, you will, and you join the joints, you will get this straight line. So x equal to y, always remember, is a straight line, or otherwise you could do like x minus y. This equation I could put x minus y less than equal to 0. So there also, if I put x equal to 0, y is 0, y equal to 0, x is 0. So I will be getting only a dot. But this is representing a line. So in that case, what you will do, through origin, draw a straight line like this. Okay. So here, lines we have drawn. This was my first equation. This is my second equation. And this is my third equation. Now let's start to draw less than or greater than. Okay. First equation is less than. So means everybody now, Ravi, try to understand. Can you see my screen now, Ravi?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
When it is less than, then I need to do, this is called origin. So less than means I need to shade downward towards origin. Full you do with very light hand. Okay. Second line was this smaller one, but that sign was greater than. So means I need to take in opposite direction upward. Like this you do. Okay, means this portion. And third is, this is little, you need to understand, when x minus y is less than 0, that time we will take this part, left hand side. See, very simple thing I tell you actually. If you remember, I told when less than sign is there, you always remember left side. And when it is greater than 0, always remember right side. I think I told this thing, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so this is less than 0 sign actually through this equation. So that's why what you will do, you will take left portion. This line is actually dividing into exactly half part. So we will take left part. This is less than 0. So here you will take left part. Everybody start drawing like this, left part of this line. Okay, now what is the common portion? Can you see? Only this one, isn't it? Isn't it? This is the portion which was coming under all three lines. Any other portion, can you tell me? For example, if I give the name this line, P and Q. Any other portion you have doubt, ma'am, this also can be portion. Without hesitation, speak up. I give you a chance, everybody, no problem at all. We will discuss. But at least say something. That, ma'am, can't it be like this? You discuss with me if any doubt is there. If all are clear, this is only common reason, then completely fine. Anybody doubt? Clear everyone? Roma, clear this?
Yes, ma'am.
Sure?
Yes, ma'am. I was have doubt only on third equation.
I knew. That's why I told I will only solve. I don't know
Yes, ma'am.
others are how might be they have solved it, but I had a doubt that students can do. That's why I have taken this question on myself that I will do. But now clear this thing. If in case you are having this question, for example, just randomly I'm taking, if this comes like that time x minus y greater than 0, that time we will take down part, right hand side of the this line. Okay, just remember this thing. Now we need to find out the coordinates of P and Q. How we will find out? We will see P is where situated. It is situated at the intersection of second line and my third line. So we will solve the second line and third line to get these coordinates of P. Okay, everybody. So from third line means here we need to solve x plus y equal to 10 and x equal to y. Very easy thing. Directly x equal to y if we put here, so y plus y equal to 10 to y equal to 10 and y equal to 5. When y is 5, x equal to y, so x is also 5. So P's coordinate are 5, 5. Same we will find out the coordinate of Q. For that, you will check where Q is situated. Q is at the intersection of equation number 1 and equation number 3. Equation number 1 is x plus 3y equal to 60. So same like this, in place of x, put y. So y plus 3y is 4y. Everybody do in your notebook. I am doing orally, but you are not that much perfect. 4y equal to 60. So y is 15. Now y is 15. By this equation we know that x equal to y. So this will also be 15. So coordinates we got 5, 5, 15, 15. Who has solved got same coordinates or different coordinates?
Same, ma'am.
Okay. Now next work is to make table. Points Z and here your result. Don't know why my writing pad is getting hanged. Our optimum reason is ACPQ. ACPQ. A coordinates are 0, 20. C coordinates are 0, 20. P's coordinates are 5, 5 and 15, 15. Z was 3x plus 9y. And in this question, we required to find both maxima and minima. So x equals to 0, this is gone. 9 into 20, 180. X is 0, y is 10, 10 into 9, 90. 5, 5. 5, 3, 15 plus 45, that is 6. 5, 5. 60 only? Just let me know if I'm wrong.
Yes, ma'am. 60.
Okay. And 15 into 15 and 15. It would be 45 plus 145, I think. 135, sorry. So it would be 180, if I'm not wrong. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So now the question comes, what is the maximum value? What is the minimum value? Here you see maximum value same, 180, 180. So these are called maximum, and there is a possibility that you have more than one solution. That time it is called multiple solution. Multiple solution, or you can call it as alternate solution. Hence, multiple solution or alternate solution for maximum Z is x equals to is like this, you write 0, 20 and 15, 15. At which Z equal to 180. Okay, and minimum we can say 60. So like this you will write the conclusion line, and minimum value is 60 at x equal to 5, y equal to 5. This was the answer of third question. Clear? Now open for everyone. Any doubt, please ask. Some girl was also confused, I think, that day. She has sent me some wrong answer. Who was this? That girl. Ravi, now any doubt to find how to find common area?
Yes, ma'am. I got it, ma'am.
Sure?
Yes, ma'am.
Just very simple things. See, for your rough work, for your own practice, everybody who is still confused, I would suggest to you, all of us have color pens, right? Color pencils. You will be having your siblings or cousins or anybody smaller at home. So they have sketch pens. I would suggest you that thing you do only for 2 questions. That is my guarantee. I am saying only for 2 questions you do what I'm telling, not more. After 2 questions, you will understand yourself. But for 2 questions, I am asking you, everybody who is still confused. For red, like for example, here we are having three lines. So with one color, like red color, okay, with red color, start drawing like this line. You have understood. When it is less than, take it on the left hand side. You know what is the left hand side? Suppose this is the line, this is called left hand side, and this is called right hand side. So same, whatever the line is there, for example, this is the line, you know, left hand side is downside, right hand side is upward. Or otherwise, very simple thing, when it is less than, always come O side. O is there, meeting both axes. And if it is greater than, go far from the origin, so the another side. So with red color, do with the first line. With yellow color, do for second line. Second line was going upward. So like this you do. Okay. And with for the third line, use green color. Now you will be having 3 different colors: red, yellow, and green. Okay. So easily visible which is the portion where you are having all three colors. So you will see this is the portion A, C, P, Q, where all 3 colors you will find, whether it's red, yellow, and green. That will be your common portion. This thing, if you apply, if you I say, and you are genuinely interested to understand the question, this is again on your honesty. If you genuinely do that, I guarantee you, this is my guarantee. After solving only 2 questions, you will understand how to take common portion. But that thing you need to do. Okay. Now, one more question we had. Fourth question was pending, right? Let's complete that also quickly. You will dictate this question, girls. Everybody have noted this, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now I am writing. Tell me.
Z is equal to.
Maximize or minimize?
I didn't write that.
Wow.
Minimize, ma'am.
How would you solve the question if you have not written objective? 3 important parts: objective, constraint, and non-negativity. Yeah, Nirmal, go ahead. Minimize zero equal to? Repeat the
Minus 50x plus 20y. Ma'am.
Okay, subject to?
2x minus 5
Hmm.
greater than or equal to minus 5.
Okay.
3x plus y
Hmm.
greater than or equal to 3.
Hmm.
2x minus 3y
Hmm.
less than or equal to 12.
Okay. I think 2 constraints are easy to draw. You people might be have confused in first equation only, right? Let's do it. Regarding this, actually, I had given you once for what I say formula, like if we are having x plus y less than equal to minus something, and if we want to change the sign, then this inequality also get changed. Okay, so always remember this, we are going to use it. Although without using that also you could solve it. First start drawing the lines. First I am drawing second and third line because there is no controversy. First line I will draw after them. Okay, quickly let's start with this x and y. What numbers I require? 1, 2, 3 only, not big numbers. So everybody start drawing again. Take 1 inch and make start dot with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 because we don't require any bigger number here. And same on y axis 1, 2, or otherwise you can take 2 centimeter. Very important graphical method. You can't afford to skip this topic. Easily scoring. Origin. Okay. For second equation, first time drawing. I will do this, no worries, but first draw this second line. Second line is when x is 0, y is 3. And when y is 0, x is 1. This is 1, 0. I give it name CD. Why I am giving CD, not AB? Because AB I am keeping secure for first equation. Third equation. Y is 0, x is 6. And when x is 0, y is minus 12. Oh, minus came. So this time we need to draw minus means, always remember, origin's left side is minus for x-axis and origin's downwards is minus for y-axis. So here we got y when x is 0, y is minus 4. No need to get worried, no need to get tensed. You draw it. Y equal to minus 4 is down. So minus 1, like this, same only you take. Minus 3, minus 4. So I need to make here 0, comma, minus 4. And the earlier one was, which I have I drawn that already? Yeah, x equal to 6 I have drawn. Join them. But what you will do here, now try to understand everybody what I'm going to say. We will stretch this line in positive area. These points are helping to draw the line, but we won't consider this area. Why? Because you see there is a constant always non-negativity, that x must be greater than 0 and y must be greater than 0. But for this area, if I take this area for example, so that's why you see I have not put E point here. I'm not writing it anything here because this is useless. This is used only for drawing the line. For this, on the same line, keep your scale straight and extend the line. Okay, like this you extend it. Don't end it anywhere. Just extend the line. And because why we are extending it? Because the line is same of same equation, but this portion we can't take in consideration because this portion means y is less than 0. While according to our third part, that is non-negativity, y and x can never be 0 or less than 0. Not sorry, can be 0 but not less than 0. So that's why we can't consider it. So our portion is basically from this only upward of the x-axis. Understood? I give it equation number 3 and this was equation number 2. Any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Any discussion you want to have? Okay. Then we come to our first equation which I left. How to draw that? Same method will remain same. Put y equal to 0, x equal to minus 5 by 2. That is minus 2.5. Okay. So same here like earlier, we will do here. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. So minus 2.5 means somewhere here. And if x is 0, y equal to, see here, if x is 0, minus y equal to minus 5. That is y equal to 5. I will cross it here. I will give it a name. What is happen? A. 0, 5. I will draw the line, join them, and again extend the line. Don't leave messages. Tell me who is texting. And extend the line. Why again extending the line? Because this is the left side of y-axis which is negative. We can't consider it. It will be helping only on drawing the line. So our line is only this. First equation.
Ma'am, sorry for the disturbance. Can you please explain the once again, ma'am, this last?
First equation.
Yes, ma'am. First equation, ma'am.
See, put x equal to 0. When you put x equals to 0, what is left with? Minus y equal to minus 5. Okay, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
So minus minus cancelled out. So y equal to 5 only. Where is y equal to 5? Here. Make a cross. Okay? Huh?
Yes, ma'am.
Not
Understood, ma'am.
now
Understood, ma'am.
clear. Put y
Clear,
equal
ma'am.
to
Clear.
0, x equal to minus 5 by 2. Minus is there, so you need to take left hand side. That will help you in drawing the lines
Clear,
only,
ma'am.
but we are not considering this. So it's up to your choice in exam. After drawing this, either in fact you can erase these portions or otherwise let it be, no problem. But you should not be confused that you will be taking only in this first quadrant. Actually, these are called quadrant. This is called first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, and this is called fourth quadrant. So you need not to get confused that the region of shade we are going to do only in first quadrant. Okay, so I would suggest you, or otherwise, if you leave it, no problem at all. If you leave it drawing like this, no problem at all. There is no marks deduction. But to avoid your confusion, I would suggest you to erase it, this portion, left hand side and downward side. So you will be left out only with first quadrant, or otherwise let it be. Now 3 lines we have drawn. Let's start taking their what do you say, regions, area. Okay. First equation, greater than sign. See, now again you might be confused, ma'am, that greater than sign means far from the origin. But you see here one difference is there. On right hand side, minus sign is there, right? So now you will switch on my second statement. Second statement was means, just in very simple language I keep you telling, rather than making you confused. Greater than sign means right hand side of the line. Remember this statement I have given. I think I have written also somewhere on Friday only.
Yes, ma'am.
Right? Remember that less than sign means left hand side, or greater than sign means right hand side. So for this line, right hand side will be this one. Start taking shade like this. Or otherwise, logically, if you really understand maths, then I can tell you how you are doing this. See, this is greater than minus 5. Minus 5 was this side, minus 4, minus 5. Okay. Greater than sign means, you know, in negative, greater means here. Numbers are increasing this side. So that's why you are supposed to take this side. Okay. Mathematically, if you want to understand. Or otherwise, very simple thing. In simple words, till now I have told you greater than means right hand side of the line. So start drawing like this. And now you can do others who don't understand common region. Please take some color, like you can take red color. Start drawing like this. Take red color, start drawing. Now, second line is also greater than. Greater than means again far from the origin. This was very simple. Take like this. Now you use yellow color sketch. Or otherwise use pencil or pen. 2 or 3 types you must be having, pen or pencil. Like this. Third one, 2x minus 3y is less than. This is the line. Less than means towards origin. Here. So this is very easy. Can you tell me what will be the common portion? Gopi only, sorry, not Gopi. Ravi only will tell me. What will be the common portion, Ravi? Even if you are wrong, no problem at all. But please tell me. According to you, what will be the common portion? Vicky? Nobody will speak. This is the problem. Yashwant?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, A, B, and
Tell me A.
sorry, not A, ma'am.
Okay. What do you think? Who is that? Ravi?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Ravi, tell me.
A, C, D.
That's it.
F, ma'am.
Very good. That's it. Anything else you want to write?
No, ma'am.
That's it. This is the common region because this is unbounded, so we can't put their limits. So unbounded region is A, C, D, F. And all these coordinates we have, A is 0, 5, C is 0, 3, D is 1, 0, F is 6, 0. So these are our what you say optional solutions. On these points we are going to check our Z. So now you see easily we could find out what is our common region. This is web type. You can see this is our common region. Any doubt, please ask. Everybody clear? Hence, our optimum region is A, C, D, F. Let's start making a table. Points A, C, D, F. A's point was 0, 5, 0, 3, 1, 0, if I'm not wrong, and I think 6, 0. Yeah. And Z1 minus 50x plus 20y. Minus 50x plus 20y. Quickly, everybody, calculate. Here 0, 5 plus 20, 100. This is 0, 60. This is 1 minus 50. This is 0. And this is minus 300. Okay, question 1, minimize. Yeah, minimum. What is minimum value? Vicky, at least give the answer of this. What is minimum value? First tell me he's present or absent. Vicky, if you don't speak now, I will give you absent today. Okay, absent for me. Now, who want to speak? Yashwant?
Ma'am, minimum value is F, ma'am.
Okay. Value is minus 300 at F.
Minus 300.
Okay. So you will write the conclusion line. Hence, x equals to 6, y equal to 0 be the optimum solution for which minimum z equals to minus 300. Clear, everyone? This question, I think everybody had doubt. Now, any kind of doubt? Girls here? Roma, Sahana, Shweta?
Clear, ma'am.
Okay. Noted? Note down, everyone. So, I think a lot of questions we have done are graphical. Or more than that, you only are supposed to do practice on them. This was my 4th session, actually. So, I find it is sufficient. Okay. And otherwise, I will see some of the question bank kind of I will prepare for you people to make on practice on them. So this was numerical portion of our graphical method. Still you feel, you are not confident, still you feel, ma'am, something we need, you can ask, tell me. Otherwise, from my end, I feel graphical method is over. Now, little theory is left out in beginning of your syllabus of this module. That is structure of linear programming model, assumption, advantage, limitations. So those things I'm going to do. And guidelines. Noted this question, everybody? Done, students?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So here we come. Theory portion. These are when we started actually till now you are studying this graphical method also. It's solution of what? Linear programming problem. In the sense, problem was linear, means maximum power of variables was one only. That's why this is called linear. And when you draw on graph, you always get a line. Okay, so that kind of problems we were solving. So there are merits and demerits. More theory we will discuss, like these will be called, you can say, advantage and limitations. Okay, so we are going to discuss them quickly. And after that, tomorrow, means not today only, after that we will complete scope and other things of LPP theory things. Then I will jump on third module. So here are first point, helps management to make efficient use of resources. So till now, after doing this much skill like formulation and graphical method, this thing you also have understood in the problem itself. That suppose, for example, we have taken that blended problem was there, some crude oil was there, and through that we were making output as gasoline. Okay, then how to use proper resources by using this LPP only, we got to know that how much input raw material I should use through which process. So I'm taking just an example of that question. But in general, actually, through these type of problems, linear programming problem, we actually get to know that if suppose we are having lot of resources, to which resource I should use, and in a proper manner. I should not waste it also. So means how much process I should use, how much, like, for example, inspectors question was there. A company was investing some money on inspectors. So there also we could use proper, that which inspector is giving us maximum benefit by testing. So to choose which inspector we should take on for our testing thing. So these efficient use are done by LPP or linear programming problem. Provides quality in decision making. Obviously, where whatever we are doing, that is maintaining quality also for everything. If we are giving best, it doesn't make a sense that, for example, twice type of questions. So, or even same inspector type of question. So there we were taking that this much accuracy and this much failure. So means failure was deducted, eliminated. So we were giving proper quality also. So LPP helps in provides quality in decision making. These are the actually why I am going so fast. These things are very small things. You only will read and you will understand. So that's why I'm taking it quickly. At any point, if you are suppose confused, you just ask me. Excellent tools for adjusting to meet changing demands. We know that, see, here we have kept x and y as variables. In the sense, whenever the value of x and we are getting optimum solution. Now, according to change in x and y, our answer will get changed. So very simple thing. By changing demand, according to the demand, we are getting our excellent tool. We have got our answer. Means this is going to be to give us benefit, maximum benefit. But according to the demand, those variable will be changing and we will get our answer accordingly that. So that's why excellent tools that is called. Fast determination of the solution if a computer is used for. Obviously, like this time we are doing by, although this is graphical method only, so here actually they have taken in consideration all solution method. So that, for example, simplex method is there, which is not in your syllabus actually. But that's very complicated for you people to solve by lot of mathematical calculations are there. But if we use computer, that becomes very easy. We all know that in doing calculation, computer helps us a lot. So these are the fast determination. We can get our solution in a quick. Provides a natural sensitivity analysis. Natural sensitivity analysis in the sense uh, means a little change in one of the factor. Excuse me. Little change in one of the factor, how can impact on other factors. That also can be done with the help of LPP. Means suppose one of the variable is changing, according to that another variable is changing. All are interdependent, interdependent to each other. Find solution to problems with a very large or infinite number of possible solution. That we know that. Although in graphical you have seen out of 4 or 5 solutions you were getting first one solution. But you think that was graphical method where we were having only 2 variables, but we are having lot of solution methods which are not in your syllabus, but we have. So in those solutions we have lot of variables. And lot of variables means, so again we are having number of possible solution, and out of them we find the best solution. Means we are having lot of optional solution also. Like for example, in this question also, if I say this is the best, but these are good, these are better solutions. Okay, what is not good solution? This point and this point. So we have good solution, these are good solution, although what we find optimum is our best solutions. So these are the merits. Quickly do demerits also. These things, please quickly take a picture. I would suggest you directly. You can write it later. Existence of non-linear equation. This is demerits because word is linear programming problem. But there are some type of situations where you can take variable as linear only. So there we need non-linear programming. But in that case, these linear programming problems get failed. So that's why this is, you can say, demerit, that all type of variables we can't consider here. We can consider only and only linear equation. Although in OR, non-linear equations are also there. It's not like we can't solve through OR. Through OR, in your syllabus is linear programming problem, but when you go in depth of OR, non-linear programming are also there. But right now, we are talking only on LPP. So this is a demerit of LPP. There are some variables. Means, for example, sometimes if you have seen that one parameter is directly proportional to the square of another parameter. Okay. So that time square of, as soon we see square of, so that means that is not linear. So such kind of things we can't include in LPP. Interaction between variables. Linear programming fails in a situation where non-linearity in the equation emerges due to joint intersection between some of the activities, like total effectiveness. Means in total, I tell you what is the meaning. You have seen z equals to ax plus by, means a and b were constant. So these are separated. Have you seen anything like this till now in any question? X and y, x into y. Any question we have taken? No.
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 Right. So here, when in such type of problem comes where both variables are interacting with each other, so that time our LPP gets failed. So that is interaction between variable. The LPP will get our fail. It gets pass only when these are exclusively separate to each other. Interaction in the sense, if suppose we are saying that two process together thing, if we are together, they are taking this much time. So that time it gets failed. Together terms come. Okay. Fractional value, OR is not failed. Always remember, in these cases, linear programming problem fails. OR has alternate solution, that is non-linear programming. Fractional value. In LPP, fractional values are permitted for the decision. Fractional value are permitted for the decision variable. So, like for example, what it is saying, like if you remember when we started, I told, if you get your answer 25.6, then you will round off the value. Why? Because number of toys or number of unit or any product can't be in fraction. But when we find the solution, answer can come as a fraction. So this is a demerit. Means we are supposed to round off that value. So, directly means fraction value. Actually, in LPP, our answer should come as an integer only. Okay, because if you see our answer is okay, if we are having benefit, how much profit I should get, that time fraction is fine. But if we saying that how many toys should be manufactured, how many inspector we should hire, so that time fraction can't work. I can't hire inspector 7.5. But my answer can come in point decimal. Even we have seen in our problems where you people were telling me in point decimal values. So that is permitted in LPP, but actually in practical life, sometimes you can't get that answer in fraction. We need to round off the value. So that is demerit of LPP. And knowledge of coefficient of the equation. It may not be possible to state all the coefficient or end constants with certainty. In the sense, in LPP, you have seen the coefficient of x and y are like 3x plus 4y, or otherwise 15x plus 16y. Means a certain value we have put in all type of questions. If you see, in all type of questions, always there was some certain value. Means certain in the sense this is fixed, 3x. plus 9y. But in practical life, it is not necessary that these coefficients are always, for example, if I'm saying that I'm getting benefit 3 times, so this is not necessary always 3 times. It might be possible I'm getting 2.9. So sometimes it is possible, but when we are solving anything by linear programming problem, we are supposed to keep them as certain. So this is one of the demerits. So these are, you can say, called advantages, and these are called limitations. Okay, have you clicked the picture?
Yes,
Click the
ma'am.
picture quickly. Okay, then I take attendance because next hour I think you are having, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So that's it. Quickly give me attendance. Abhijit,
Ma'am, present, ma'am.
Akash,
Present, ma'am.
Ma'am, Abhijit, present,
Chandan,
ma'am.
Akshani,
Present, ma'am.
I'm Akash, present, ma'am.
unless I give you absent, you who have given can leave my class and join next one. Divya,
Present,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
Akash, present, ma'am.
Prabha, Sushmita,
Present, ma'am.
Gopinath.
Present, ma'am.
Now your mic is working, huh? You are the most, what should I say, irresponsible man in your class. Now your mic is working. Gautami,
Present, ma'am.
Ashwarya BS,
Present, ma'am.
yes,
Present, ma'am.
Present, ma'am.
Tisha,
Present, ma'am.
Kavya,
Present, ma'am.
Keshava,
Present, ma'am.
Vikit,
It's texted on chat
Manjunath,
box. Likit is texted.
Manjunath, Manohar,
Present, ma'am.
Manoj, Hitvachana, Monica,
Present, ma'am.
Present.
Nirmal,
Present, ma'am.
Nirmal,
Present, ma'am.
Bhavna,
Present, ma'am.
Bhavna,
Present, ma'am.
Pavitra,
Present, ma'am.
Vicky, absent for this. Rakesh,
Yes, ma'am.
Rakshit,
Present, ma'am.
Ravi Kumar,
Present, ma'am.
Rekha, Rishi, Roma,
Yes, ma'am.
Sahana, Satyajit,
Present, ma'am.
Sheikh Mohammed,
Ma'am, he texted, ma'am.
Shiva,
Ma'am,
Shiva,
Yes,
Sheikh
ma'am.
Mohammed Shah is text.
Shiva present, ma'am.
I given. Shruti,
Present, ma'am.
Aruna,
Present, ma'am.
Present, ma'am. Ma'am,
Soumya,
Shruti present.
Swati, Swati, Swati TV,
Present, ma'am.
Shweta,
Ma'am, Sahana
Present,
present,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Saida,
Present, ma'am.
Ma'am, Swati TV present, ma'am.
Shweta is also
these
present.
people are,
Ma'am, I'm present, Shweta.
who else?
Ma'am, Sahana present.
Sahana given. Papi R,
Ma'am, Mita Vachana is also present, ma'am.
what are you waiting for? Why didn't you tell that time?
Ma'am, I
Ma'am, Sahana present, ma'am.
ma'am.
Sahana given. Manoj, Manjunath, Sahana, I have given you. You can leave.
I'm Chandan, present, ma'am.
Chandan given.
Okay.
Chalo, bye bye people. See you tomorrow. Sheikh Mohammed Sana with